to not bring AI into our relationship. A lot of you out there who are looking for an employment lawyer are going to have to call multiple law offices to kind of pitch your case to. And then you're going to have to judge and potentially be rejected by a number of those firms. It's a difficult process to build that relationship when a client comes to you as a lawyer and you know that they've probably had a tough time hearing that the person on the other end, the lawyer, actually values and wants to hear more, right? To hear that in that lawyer's voice. When somebody like myself takes on a new client, I am making an investment in that person because most of my cases are contingency, meaning I don't get paid unless they get paid. And I don't take cases where I don't get paid well. I take the cases that I know I can knock out of the park to the best of my abilities if I play my cards right. But the problem is the introduction of artificial intelligence. The problem is clients who've gone through so much emotionally to finally get in front of a lawyer who's offered them representation to now have to have this very vulnerable and dynamic relationship with that attorney and that attorney's staff. AI, it's a linear relationship between your input and its response is a line and it bounces back and forth. But at a law office, you are a point of light, but that light extends across the entire law firm to different staff members, to courts, clerks, to other lawyers who are defending the case, and to ultimately the company that had wrongfully terminated you. But when you introduce AI into the equation, you start to short circuit a process by which the attorney and his staff are refining your case facts for the best presentation in that attorney's eyes. That's his job. But the AI is there to tell you that you are everything you believe you are, to validate you. The lawyer on the other end of your case, he is not available on a $19.99 a month subscription. He has to conform his entire day to the needs of your case and the needs of cases like yours that he supports, meaning his structure, identity, and purpose is molded around how he can possibly execute for his clients. That means keeping an honest practice is keeping an intellectually self-possessed practice, not one outsourced to a GPT, so that when the questions come up on strategy, the lawyer can respond. Why? Because he believes it with his heart, his chest, and he's thought it through with his mind. Yeah, lawyers use AI, but if any lawyer is taking from AI and delivering directly what's being told to him to do, that lawyer and his license is going to be in a severely compromised place. Because being a lawyer is about decision making. And the one decision that I'm going to begin to make is to ask my potential clients and current clients to not bring AI into our relationship. Because the moment we have this thing blocking each other, we can't really see eye to eye, right? We see through an AI platform that's always updating, changing, and this gets in the way of a one-to-one relationship where your needs are the requirements of my zealous advocacy. You are trusting my heart and my mind to execute for you. And in this one-to-one relationship, you have advocacy. But between you and the AI, you have a prompt and a sycophantic friend. Don't trust your sycophantic friends to make the best decisions for you and your career.